Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Optimum Nutrition Creatine is probably one of the most researched and effective supplements available for anyone looking to boost their athletic performance, increase muscle strength, and improve recovery times, making it a staple in many fitness enthusiast supplement stacks for its proven ability to enhance power output during high-intensity exercise and support lean muscle growth when combined with proper training and nutrition. Number 5. Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Fuel your workouts with our premium creatine monohydrate powder. It's designed to support your muscle strength and power, helping you push your limits. Experience effortless mixing with our finely micronized powder. This ensures a smooth consistency, so you can focus on your performance. Aid your body's recovery process after intense training sessions. This supplement helps you bounce back stronger and faster. Train with confidence knowing that our product has been tested for banned substances. Quality and safety are our top priorities. Enjoy the flexibility of an unflavored powder. You can easily add it to your favorite beverage or shake without altering the taste. Each serving delivers 5 grams of micronized creatine monohydrate. This provides an effective dose to support your fitness goals. What we like. This option offers pure, micronized creatine monohydrate for enhanced muscle strength and power. It's banned substance tested, ensuring quality and safety for athletes. If you prefer an unflavored powder that mixes easily and supports your recovery, this is a solid choice. What people say. Optimum Nutrition Creatine is a great product for muscle building and strength gains. It mixes well with water and other beverages, and it's easy to digest. This creatine has helped me increase my workout performance and recovery. Number 4. Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Capsules. Unlock your potential with our advanced creatine monohydrate capsules. Designed to support your strength and recovery, they are your secret weapon for peak performance. Experience the power of micronized creatine monohydrate. Each serving delivers 2.5 g to fuel your muscles, helping you build strength and enhance performance. Support your muscle building goals with these easy-to-swallow capsules. They are keto-friendly and formulated to help you achieve superior results. Train with confidence knowing that our product is banned substance tested. We prioritize your safety and performance, ensuring purity in every capsule. With 50 servings per bottle, you have a consistent supply to fuel your workouts. Elevate your training and recovery with this essential supplement. Choose the trusted brand for your athletic needs. Our creatine capsules provide the support you need to push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. What we like. For those who dislike mixing powders, these capsules provide a convenient way to get your creatine. They are easy to swallow and keto-friendly, making them versatile for different diets. If you're looking for a no-fuss, portable option to support muscle building and performance, consider this. What people say. Optimum Nutrition Creatine is a great product for muscle building and strength. It mixes well with water and has no taste, making it easy to consume. Users have reported significant gains in muscle mass and improved workout performance after using this creatine. Number 3. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder 425 g. Elevate your fitness journey with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to help both men and women achieve their goals. Experience the power of pure, micronized creatine. Each serving delivers 5 g of high-quality monohydrate for maximum effectiveness. Support muscle growth and enhance your performance with this essential supplement. It's the perfect addition to your workout routine. We ensure purity and potency through third-party testing. Plus, it's vegan-friendly, making it a clean choice for everyone. With 85 servings per container, you'll have a consistent supply to fuel your progress. Enjoy the unflavored versatility. Trust Jacked Factory for your supplement needs. We are committed to providing effective and high-quality products for your health and fitness. What we like. This product is a great choice for vegans, as it's entirely plant-based and third-party tested for purity. It offers a substantial amount of servings, providing excellent value. If you're seeking a vegan-friendly, rigorously tested creatine powder with a long-lasting supply, this is ideal. What people say. This is the best creatine I have ever used. I have been using it for 2 weeks and I have noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance. Optimum Nutrition Creatine is a great product. It is pure creatine monohydrate and it is micronized, which makes it dissolve easily in water. I have been taking Optimum Nutrition Creatine for a month now and I have seen a noticeable difference in my muscle mass and recovery time. Number 2. NatureBell Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Powder, 500 g. Unlock your athletic potential with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to support muscle growth and enhance your workouts, whether you're male or female. This unflavored powder mixes effortlessly into your favorite beverages. Enjoy the benefits of pure creatine without any added taste or ingredients. Incorporate it into your routine before or after exercise for optimal results. It's the perfect supplement to aid your recovery and boost your energy levels. We believe in clean nutrition. That's why our product is vegan, keto-friendly, and suitable for everyone seeking a healthier lifestyle. Your safety and satisfaction are paramount. Each batch is rigorously tested by a third party to ensure purity and potency. Get a potent dose of 5,000 milligrams of creatine in every serving. This 500 g container provides ample supply to support your fitness journey. What we like. This unflavored powder is designed for easy mixing and offers support for both pre- and post-workout routines. It's vegan, keto-friendly, and third-party tested, ensuring a clean and effective supplement. If you want a versatile, high-quality powder that fits multiple dietary needs and workout schedules, this is a strong contender. What people say. Optimum Nutrition Creatine is a great product for muscle building and strength. This creatine supplement is micronized, which means it dissolves easily in water. It's a pure creatine monohydrate, with no added fillers or artificial ingredients. Number 1. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate. Experience the power of advanced muscle growth. This formula is designed to help you push your limits and achieve peak performance. Support your fitness goals with our premium creatine monohydrate. It aids in building lean muscle mass, helping you sculpt the physique you desire. Elevate your workouts and see tangible results. This supplement is engineered to enhance your strength and endurance during intense training sessions. Get the benefits of pure, high-quality creatine monohydrate. It's a trusted ingredient for athletes looking to improve their power output and recovery. With 72 servings per container, you have a full supply to fuel your progress. Maximize your gains and recovery with every dose. What we like. This creatine monohydrate is specifically formulated to aid in strength and muscle growth. It provides a significant number of servings, ensuring you're well supplied for your training goals. If your primary objective is to build muscle and increase strength, and you want a product with a proven track record in this area, this is a great option. What people say. This is the best creatine I have ever used. It mixes very well and has no taste. I have been using this for a month now and I can feel the difference in my workouts. I have more energy and my muscles feel fuller. Optimum Nutrition is a trusted brand and this creatine is no exception. It is pure and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.